Welcome to another inspiring Japanese tiny house tour. Today we were diving into the world of compact living, where every detail has been thoughtfully designed to create both comfort and functionality. At first glance, a Japanese tiny house tour may look small and simple on the outside, but once you step inside, you will see how much potential is hidden within its minimal footprint. This particular Japanese tiny house is the perfect example of how clever interior planning can transform a compact home into a space that feels open, cozy, and truly livable. As we walk into the entrance of the Japanese tiny house, the first area that we encounter is the small yet inviting living room. Despite the limited size, this living room has been designed to offer comfort and functionality. A cozy sofa sits against the wall, and just across from it, a wall-mounted TV creates a complete entertainment corner. This makes the living area not just a place to sit, but a space where you can relax, unwind, and enjoy quality time. Even though this is a Japanese tiny house, the living room feels surprisingly accommodating right next to the living room. There is a compact mini pantry table that serves multiple purposes. It's not only a dining spot but also a functional workspace, reflecting the efficient lifestyle often associated with a Japanese tiny house. Every piece of furniture is designed with intention. Nothing is oversized, nothing is unnecessary. The mini pantry fits perfectly into the open layout, showing how a Japanese tiny house can incorporate essential daily needs without sacrificing style or comfort. One of the most impressive features of the Japanese tiny house is the loft bed. Unlike many other tiny homes that offer a small sleeping area, this loft bed has been designed to be wide enough to comfortably fit a king-size mattress. With this means that the sleeping loft is not just cramped corner, but a proper bedroom that provides ample space for rest. In fact, the loft in this Japanese tiny house is so spacious that it can also accommodate additional portable cabinets or storage units, making it both practical and versatile. Ultimately, the Japanese tiny house shows us that compact design does not have to mean sacrifice. Instead, it can mean freedom for clutter, freedom from unnecessary excess, and freedom to focus on the essential that truly matter. With its small living room, wall-mounted TV, sofa, mini pantry, table, and spacious loft bed that can accommodate a king-size mattress or portable cabinets, this Japanese tiny house is a perfect example of how smart design can make small living both beautiful and practical. So, whether you are curious about minimalism, fascinated by space-saving ideas, or simply love exploring cozy and functional home, this Japanese tiny house is sure to leave you inspired.